Hello, my phenomenal viewers, and welcome on today's episode. On today's episode, we are going to be answering this GC Advanced Level Question 5 Roman 2. And the question reads: the line y is equal to 3 minus 2x is a tangent to a circle whose center is at the point 3, comma 2. Find the equation of the cycle. So, as you can see, the question is under cycles. And before we dive into solving this question, I would recommend that you should go look for a book and a pen and join me as I provide a solution to this question. So, the line given to us is y is equal to 3 minus 2x, and the center of the circle C is the point 3, comma 2. So, when a line is a tangent to a circle, what does that mean? For a line to be a tangent to a circle, then that line simply touches the circle at a particular point. That is what makes a line to be a tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle doesn't cut across the circle, rather it touches the circle at a particular point. So for instance, if this is the circle, please permit me to draw the circle with my free hand, even though it is not that accurate. So if this is the circle, this is the center of the circle C, then this line is a tangent to this circle because it touches the circle at this particular point. It doesn't cut across the circle. So this line is said to be a tangent to this circle. So this is how a tangent to a circle looks like. Now, we are going to use a notion here, which is the distance from the center of a circle to the tangent is usually the radius of that circle. That is this distance from the center to where the tangent or where the line touches the circle is equivalent to what? The radius of this circle. So since the center of the circle is a point and the tangent is a line, then there is a formula that is used to determine the distance from a point to a line. And that formula is given by z is equal to ax plus by plus c divided by the square root of a squared plus b squared, where xy is the point in question, which is the center of the circle, the point 3, 2. Then a, b, c are the coefficients of x, y, and c is the y-intercept in the equation of the line. So first of all, for us to obtain the values of a, b, and c, we need to standardize this line. That is, we need to send all of the terms of this line on one side and equate the line to 0. So this line becomes when negative 2x crosses and comes this way, and we have what? 2x plus y minus 3 to be equal to 0. So you first of all need to write the line in this manner. Send all of the different terms on one side. So when the line has been written in this manner, then it shows that our a, which is the coefficient of x, in this case is 2, our b, the coefficient of y, which is 1, and our c is the y-intercept, which is what? Negative 3. The y-intercept of a line is simply the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. So these are the values of a, b, and c. Then x is simply the x coordinate of the center, which is 3, and y is the y coordinate of the center, which is what? 2. So we now need to substitute these values into this equation to determine the value of d. Permit me to demarcate the word. So it shows that our d, this implies d would be, what is a? A is 2 into, what is x? X is 3 plus b, what is b? B is 1 into, what is y? Y is 2 plus c, our c, which is what? Negative 3, divided by the square root of, what is a? A is 2 squared. What is b? B is 1. So I have plus 1 squared. So this implies, please, there is a magnitude sign here, so that if this value is negative, the absolute sign makes it to be positive. So please do not forget to include the absolute sign to ensure that even if this value is negative at the end, the absolute sign takes care of the negative sign. So this becomes 6 plus 2. That gives me what? 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 is still 5. So this is d is equal to 5 divided by 2 squared, 4 plus 1 squared. That gives me root 5. So I have root 5. So when I simplify this, it shows that my d would be what? If I multiply top and bottom by root 5, I will have 5 root 5 divided by 5. So this gives me root 5. So d is root 5. This d, which is root 5, is the radius. Remember that d, which is the distance from the center to the point where the tangent meets the cycle, is the radius, which is equal to d. So the radius, therefore, radius is equal to root 5. So with this radius, we can be able to determine the equation of the cycle. Since we know its center, we are going to use this other formula, which is x minus a order squared plus y minus b order squared is equal to r squared. So here, a and b are the coordinates of the center of the cycle. Then r here is the radius. So I have x minus a is what? 3. I square it plus y minus what is b? 2. I square it is equal to root 5 squared. So therefore, the equation of this cycle is x minus 3 order squared plus y minus 2 order squared is equal to 5. So this is the equation of the cycle in standard form. If you want, you can expand it, but you can still allow it like this. When you allow it like this, then this is the equation of the cycle in standard form. So this is how you go about solving this question. And if you loved this video, please help me and share so that they can get to many students as possible. And if this is also your first time coming across any of my videos, please do not hesitate to either subscribe or follow me so that whenever I upload videos like this one, you will be notified. And thank you for watching. Stay blessed.